Did you know that if every nuclear bomb on Earth exploded at the same time, we wouldn't just witness destruction, we might watch the planet change forever? Imagine a fireball stretching miles wide, shockwaves flattening continents, and the sky turning black with radioactive ash. This isn't science fiction, it's a terrifying possibility backed by real numbers. And the latest 2025 nuclear inventory update? We now have over 13,200 nuclear warheads globally, with some newly tested warheads far more powerful than Hiroshima. But what would actually happen if humanity pressed the launch button all at once? Would Earth survive? Would we stay till the end? Because the conclusion might shock you more than the explosion itself. As of mid-2025, 9 countries hold nuclear weapons, with the US and Russia owning more than 90% of them. The combined explosive power is estimated at over 6,000 megatons. That's like setting off a mountain-sized volcano on every continent. Some bombs today are 3,000 times more powerful than the one dropped on Hiroshima. And countries like North Korea, China, and even India have been modernizing their stockpiles with new delivery systems. According to recent reports, AI-driven drones might soon carry tactical nukes, faster, smarter, deadlier. It's no longer about quantity alone. Precision and technology are the new front lines. So what happens if every nuke was launched, not at enemies, but into one single spot? Let's say we transport all warheads to one remote location, like the Mariana Trench or the Arctic, and detonate them together. The result? A mega explosion with a fireball stretching hundreds of kilometers across, instantly vaporizing everything. Within, the blast would punch a hole in the atmosphere, sending radiation into space and debris into orbit. A massive shockwave would ripple across the planet, causing earthquakes and tsunamis never before recorded. Even countries far from the blast zone would feel the tremors and face infrastructure collapse. The sky would darken for months, maybe years, from the nuclear fallout, a phenomenon known as nuclear winter. And what's worse, crops would fail, animals would die, and global temperatures could drop by up to 15 degrees Celsius. Within minutes, millions would die from the blast. But that's just the beginning. Radiation would spread with the wind, contaminating water, soil, and air, making entire continents uninhabitable. Hospitals would be overwhelmed, global economies would collapse, the ozone layer, already fragile, in 2025 would be shredded, exposing us to lethal solar radiation. With the nuclear winter blocking sunlight, agriculture would collapse, triggering global famine. Scientists warn that even a fraction of this scenario, say 100 nukes, could kill over 1 billion people in the following years. Now imagine all, 13,200 going off together. Surprisingly, Earth wouldn't be destroyed like in science fiction movies. It would survive. But we probably wouldn't. The planet has withstood asteroid impacts, supervolcanoes, and mass extinctions before. But this would be the first man-made extinction event, entirely self-inflicted. Some scientists even compare it to creating a mini nuclear ice age. Radiation would linger for decades. Civilization, as we know it, would end. Only deep ocean life or underground microbes might continue the story of life on Earth. And for us? Well, we'd be another chapter in Earth's long list of species that once were. So what if we detonated all nuclear bombs at once? We wouldn't just end war, we'd end nearly everything. 2025 might seem like a modern advanced world, but we're still one bad decision away from irreversible disaster. The question isn't, can we do it? It's why are we still building them? If this video made you think twice, imagine what our leaders should be thinking. Let's hope this terrifying scenario remains just a thought experiment and never a headline. Subscribe for more what-if truths that hit harder than fiction.